Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to set up Peacock TV on any smart TV. Now, this method will work on any model of smart TV of any year. But first thing that you will have is to have an HDMI port. I recommend getting a Roku Stick or an Amazon Fire Stick. Both of these media streaming players have the capability of download Peacock on your TV. You would then use a Roku or Fire Stick as your main streaming player, which bypasses the operating system on your TV. If you want to spend a little more and get a more robust device that gives you a few more options, and take a look at the Apple TV 4K. All these devices plug into the HDMI port on your TV, no matter how old it is, no matter what model it is. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.